Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about the different tags available in a HTML tags here. Okay. Now before going for that, first what is meant by the HTML tags, we are going to discuss that. HTML tags are nothing but the keywords. Okay, this which defines that how the web browser will format and display the content here. Okay, the main important thing about the HTML tag is that these tags are nothing but the keywords. Okay, their work is to tell browser that what format and display the content here. Okay, that means that if you return the any HTML tags in your particular corner, the web browser will get understand that okay in which format and okay in the how I am can going to display the content in a web page. For that reason we are going to use the HTML tags here. Okay, with the help of tags the browser can distinguish between a HTML content and the simple content also. Okay, with the help of HTML tags now we are going to be distribute or distinguish between the simple content and the HTML content. Okay, this will help to the web browser. Due to that reason we are going to use the HTML tags here, right? HTML tags contain the three main parts here: opening tag, okay, content and the closing tag. Each tag is going to have the three important areas, or you can say this one the three parts here: opening, closing as well as the content tag here. Okay, first we are going to do the open the particular tag here, we are going to add the content, and third thing will be the close that tag again here. But some HTML tags are unclosed tags also. We are going to have some unclosed tags are available. These tags also we are going to be use them. Now when a browser reads an HTML document, okay, browser reads it from top to bottom and left to right here. Sometimes the web browser is going to be sometimes no always the HTML document is going to be read from the top to bottom as well as left to right only. HTML tags are mainly used to create the HTML documents and render their properties, right? Each HTML tags have different properties. What they are telling friends, always the web browser is going to read the top to bottom and the left to right only. Okay, means that code is going to be read like that. One more important tag, once it reads no, is going to render all the properties here, document properties only. Each HTML tag have the different properties. Okay, now afterwards my friends we are going to have the some properties are all HTML tags must enclosed within the these brackets only, angle brackets. Okay, every tag in HTML perform the different tasks. Okay, if you have to use an open tag you can use this one, then you must use a closing tag also. Opening tag as well as the closing tag must be mandatory there. This will be under the syntax. Okay, syntax is that tag, content as well as the closing tag. Opening tag, content as well as the closing tag. Wait, now after that friends we are going to have some HTML tags always written in a lowercase. Okay, the basic HTML tags are given below. We are going to have the paragraph tag is there. Okay, heading tag is there, bold tag is there, italic tag is there. Okay, underline tag is there. All these tags were going to be used in our HTML. We are going to study about 100, more than 100 tags are there in HTML language. Okay, we are going to study that one by one. Okay, otherwise important tags we are going to consider first. Unclosed HTML tags. Some HTML tags are not closed here. For example, BR and the HR tag means that the break line of the code, and HR will be for the horizontal rule also. That we are going to study that one afterwards, right? Now afterwards friends we are going to have some meta HTML we are going to have some HTML meta tags also there. Okay, like document title is there, link is there, meta is there, and the style tag also are going to be study. Okay, we are going to have some HTML text tags also there. Okay, paragraph is there, h1 is there. Okay, we are going to have h2 tag is there, h4 tag is there. Okay, we are going to have some what you can say that h5 tag is there, h6 is there, strong tag is there. Okay, abbreviation tag is there. All these tags we are going to be study that one or one by one. Stable link tags also they're very important, that is the anchor tag is there. Okay, and the base tag also there. All these tags we are going to be study one by one. Afterwards my friends we are going to have some what you can say that HTML comment lines are there. Okay, in this HTML comment line what we are going to do, okay, the comments are mainly going to write in some text or the code written inside your code only, right? During this time what we are going to do friends, okay, if written the 10,000 lines of the code, okay, everywhere it's not easy to get understand the full line of the code here. Due to that reason we are going to enter some what we can say that code here, means that comment lines here. If you return the comment lines, so that is going to be help for debugging as well as the under readability also going to be increase. That how we are going to write the HTML comments here, we are going to have some um, what you can say, the syntax is there for writing that one. First you write the angle bracket exclamatory sentence, okay, then you close that one. This will be for the single line here. Even we are going to write for the multiple line comments also there. Okay, how we are going to, why we require the multiple line comments here? Okay, if so many documents are there, okay, we need to give in a paragraph only, because we are going to discuss about the whole project, no friends. If the new person comes in your project, he get understand that. Assume like this one, 10 projects, 10 members are working in your project. Any programming language, wherever possible, no, you can write the comment lines wherever possible. Now, how we are going to add the HTML comments here? First thing, the syntax, as I said earlier, the comment line code will not be visible to the web page, and hence the you can comment the tag in a documentation purpose only and debugging purpose. If you return the any time any number of the comment lines in your code, no, the browser is going to ignore that one. It is not going to be displayed on the web pages. Due to that reason, you can add, or you can add the comment lines for the debugging as well as the readability purpose. Okay, I given one example here. See, first comment line will be, this is the header section, user will get understand easily. Okay, this is a part of the header section. Okay, text, then second thing will be internal CSS cascading one sheet is there, we are going to add the body and all. It means that friends, the user is going to get easily understand. Okay, sometimes you people will think that comment lines never going to play a very, no. If you're working on a project, no friends, so many, anything, they implemented the anyone new algorithm, okay, by reading that code and understanding is very difficult. Instead of if they written in a multiple line or single line comment, now that plays a very important role. Okay, now after that friends, we are going to have the one more comment here, that is a paragraph tag, as I said earlier. Okay, now after that what we do, friend, multi-line comment also. Okay, in HTML code we are going to have the multiple lines codes are there, as I said earlier friends. Okay, instead of writing one line code, we are going to have the multiple line code here. For that I will give one example. If people want to display that particular one image there, like the birthday, is there anyone birthday, okay, or anything, you can say this one. If you want to display that one, no, that you can, this is image for ME cake, you can see it on a web page on a browser. Give that one multiple line comment there, then you can click, means that user will get understand this person is going to be display the particular cake only. I hope means by reading that paragraph and multiple line comments, no, is going to be understand that one. Okay, syntax will be same only, that we are going to be do that one in a multiple lines, and we are going to end that one. Now afterwards friends, we are going to discuss one more important, that is the HTML anchor here. This mainly defines a hyperlink that links one page to the another page here. It can create the, okay, it can be another page, please, with the location on a, so okay, just to concentrate here friends, this defines a hyperlink that links one page to the another page 100%. Okay, to link the particular pages, we are going to use the anchor tag here. Anchor tag is always going to be worked with the href tag only, because href tag is going to give the location for that particular page here, or you can say this one the destination location. Due to that reason, always the anchor tag is going to be used with the href tag only. Okay, now the syntax of the href tag is given below. See, I said no, anchor tag is going to be used with the href tag, right? This is about the all the tags we are going to be used now friends. Okay, now another thing what I want to tell here, that we are going to have more than 100 tags are available. What kind of the tags are available? Okay, which tags we are going to study in the next class here, that also we need to be considered here. Okay friends, once you studied this one, the HTML tags, now we need to study about the HTML attributes are there. Okay, how we are going to be HTML formatting is there, HTML paragraph is there. Okay, okay, we are going to study about the what kind of the HTML elements are there. Okay, order list is there, unorder list is there, description list is there, HTML form is there. Okay, all these tags we are going to study that one. Okay, once we studied this one, we are going to study about the HTML attributes, HTML tag list we need to study. Once you studied this tag list and this one, no, we are going to discuss about the what are the different HTML5 advanced things are there, that we are going to study that one. Okay, at the end we are going to study the HTML API, application program interface. Okay, how we are going to give the HTML colors for the name. Okay, how what is meant by the misc here. Okay, that all these things we are going to study that one. Okay, but whatever the different types of the tags are there, no, that I will read out now today. Okay, now we are going to have the abbreviation tag is there, acronym tag is there, okay, address tag is there, okay, alphabet tag is, sorry, applet tag is there, area tag is there, okay, self content article tag is there, define the aside means that it defines the content aside from the content. In that things we are going to discuss one by one. Okay, b tag is there for the bold tag, that is meant if you want to make the any this one, what you can say that text will be bold, and that time we are going to use that one. Okay, and base tag is there, okay, defines the basic url or base url for all related url tag within the document. All these things we are going to study, friends. Some other where we are going to alignment the text here, center tag is there, code tag is there, column tag is there, okay, data tag is there, delete tag is there, okay, it defines the text which has been deleted from the document. Del tag we are going to use, okay, dir is there, okay, directory list of the files, very important, very important. It is used to del tag is there for used to define the description list. All these things, no friends, we are going to be study that one. After that, header tag is there, footer tag is there, form tag is there, okay, h1 to h6, it defines the heading of HTML document from level 1 to level 6, very important. Head tag is there, okay, hr I said earlier, okay, HTML represents HTML document. Okay, alphabetically if you are arranging, no friends, around we are having the 100 tags only. Each alphabet we are going to have 7 to 8 alphabets are, sorry, tags are there. Okay, image tag is there, right? Image tag, what it is telling, img, okay, it is used to insert the image within the HTML tag. If you are keep on using all this, no friends, tomorrow onwards or the next session onwards we are going to discuss this one. Okay, label tag is also there, so many things. Section tag is a defined generic section for the document, very important. Select tag is there, control which provides that one. Okay, all these things we are going to study that one, friends, one by one. Okay, table tag also, the template tag is there. Okay, we are having the track tag is there, we variable defines variable name used in the mathematical or the programming content. All these things, no friends, we are going to study that one. Okay, once we studied this one, now then we start working for the small projects, or you can say small one applications there, then we start building that one, right? Okay, friends, if you are having any doubts, now please